So, as you know in the last video, the clutch wasn't disengaging properly or at all, and therefore it was just trudging through the pedal brake. So, we realized that there was a spring missing that I eventually found, and we couldn't figure out how to put it in, but we're going to be getting it back together and hopefully working in this video. So, yeah, let's do it. So what's happening here is, so there's a lot of adjustable pieces in the clutch, and what he's doing right here, right now, is judges how much it, moves the clutch plates in and out, which is the thing that ultimately disengages the clutch. And the black hydraulic piece here is, it wasn't going up. See, as you can see, he's making it so it stays up, because what's supposed to be happening is that spring I was talking about is supposed to hold that up. So, we think we've got it. Explain.
So, what happened was these 3 bolts weren't tight enough, and this wasn't adjusted properly, and now the spring is on here, so now it works properly.
Oh, that is very nice.
And then the spring returns that back up.
Let's see. Okay. Test 1, where we think this is it. We think we got it. Okay. Here we go.
Just put it in like here. Keep it on top of it. Could have done that whole time.
We've done it.
I've done it.
Done it.
These are on the wrong.
So, it's leaking gas.
I think I know why it's leaking.
Why?
Because this is on the wrong one on this.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Can't go any farther because my phone's plugged in. So, but we finally got it working. After, I think I got it here, was it like 10 months ago? Or no, it was like 9 months ago. Or something. It was probably like a little more than half a year ago.
Yeah.
But it hadn't ran in 8 years before then. Or 7 years. But yeah, working mower. Woo! So the mower is fully working again. I've put the mats back on, the Honda mats. The basket is on here. Everything, the parking brake is working. And the only thing that's weird, which is always happened, but this thing, the gas, where the gas drips out if there's too much, like the fuel pump doesn't know what to do, so it just pumps like an excess amount. So I clamp this here, and it only starts if you unclamp that usually. But otherwise, it's a working mower, and it's great. So yeah, let's drive it around. crazy. It's super deep right here. We're spinning out and it's pushing me. So I nearly just had a heart attack, but as we're driving, the drive shaft just split out and this metal's all bumped up. Man, it was insanely loud and it freaked me out.
Whole thing.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna be able to push this all the way back to behind through a cemetery that's that way. But this is gonna suck. I'm surprised we made it this quick. It was like over there. Yeah. Yeah, in case you catch anything like this. It's crazy how bent up this metal is. If someone was... What?
Crazy to see on the GoPro.
Oh yeah.
It's bent.
Yeah, it's crazy. If this metal wasn't here, your leg would have been gone. Yeah, bro, it gave me a heart attack. It was scary as heck. Yeah. Getting home by being pushed by the wheel. So I think all that's happened is the drive shaft, and hopefully all we'll have to do is bolt it back on and it should be good again. But thanks for watching. Check out our Instagram at AlexDevWorkshop and join our Discord. The link is in the description. And thanks for watching.